Okay, well, I wanted to, well, since I'm rearranging and doing some other things, I wanted to have a different table to do my presentations on, or demonstrations, whatever you want to call them. And I looked around, and this was about the best price, and it had some of the best reviews on Amazon.com. So let's get into it, open it up here, see what it's like, and set it up for you. Okay, package comes with a piece of styrofoam over the top part here. I think the best way to do this is we'll just turn this upside down and let it slide out. And we'll pick the box off of it. Okay, more styrofoam. Oh gosh, the white balance is really acting up. Got too much white stuff in here. Well, from first looks of it, kind of a dirty spot right there. Don't know what that is. From first looks of it, it looks nice, and I got little bits of styrofoam. I'm gonna have to vacuum all over again. Okay. Well, it arrived in one piece. Don't see any damage on it or anything. Let's see. Oh, there's a little imperfection. Nothing major. Just a little imperfection in the casting of it, I guess. Well, let me turn it around towards you here so you can see what it looks like on the side here. This is how it comes. The legs all folded up in there. It does have metal framing all the way around the sides to about 6 or 7 inches from each end. There is a carrying handle. It's down on that end. You can't see that, but the carrying handle is actually webbing with a plastic handle on it. I'll try to get a snapshot of that. Some strong steel that they used in there. Bring it behind it and stand this thing up. Uh-oh. And it does have a lock that locks it into place once you get it open. Yep, right under here. Well, my first opinion, there is a couple of imperfections, nothing major, barely noticeable. It's only noticeable probably because I've got all the studio lights on. Let's see. Okay. It's right at 29 inches tall. It's 6 foot long and say 28 and a half, 28 and 3/4 wide. So we wanted to show you this. This is something I've been wanting for a long time, not just for in the house here though, but also for when I want to do a video outside. I'll have something to sit at and put things on. So seems like a very good table. Definitely sturdy, a lot sturdier than I thought. Let me get some specs here for you. Okay, opened, it's 71 inches long, 29 inches wide, 29 inches high. Folded, it's 35.4 inches long. It's still 29 wide because it doesn't fold. I don't know why they had to throw that in there. And it's 3 inches thick. So that means each side of this is 1.5 inches. So when it's folded up, it's 3 inches. The weight capacity, it says 330 pounds. I don't think I would put that much on it, but definitely very sturdy. Nice. I'm real happy with it. It's stain resistant, easy to clean. Well, I'll just tell you what. I'll pop a picture of this up on the screen for you right now and you can take a look at it. Also the price, say $70, $69.99. This would be very handy for outings. If you're car camping or going somewhere in a vehicle. It'd be good for when you have family over for the holidays and things like that. I'm really happy with it. Very satisfied. So yeah, okay, we'll go ahead and pause this now. If you want to take a look at this, the picture will be up in a second. Alright, I wanted to let you know that we had our giveaway. We gave away the, what's it called? We gave away the K-Bar Spork for the July giveaway. Now as time progresses and we get more members and stuff, the gifts that we give away and stuff will increase in value and substance. I wanted to let you know to enter the giveaway. Comment in the link in the comments below. All you have to do is make a comment. Cut. If you're a recipient of one of the giveaways, we will use your name and the state you're from, but that's it. We will not even give the city. So I wanted to make sure you were aware of that. And the way we do it is, depending on how many videos we do, we'll put, what I did was I took a little box and I just put some papers in it with the number of 1, 2, and 3 of the videos that I did for the month of July. And I pulled one out. Then there's a program online that you put in your video and it randomly generates a comment. It picks one of the comments, so that's how we do that, in case anybody's interested. We do have some product reviews coming up. I do enjoy all my subscribers. Thank you to all the new ones. We've got some products that are sitting back over there in the boxes still that we're supposed to be doing some reviews on. We got those coming up shortly. I wanted to thank you all for watching. Please leave a comment down below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like the video, please give us a thumbs down and comment and tell us why you didn't like this video. If you have any constructive criticism on how I can better my videos, that is always definitely appreciated. If there's any products that you would like to see demonstrated on this on this show or program, whatever you want to call it, on my channel, please let me know in the comments down below what kind of a product it is, and if we could swing it and it's something that I think will fit in with our channel, we'll see what we could do. This one here, like I said, it'd be excellent for car camping, just in the yard for when you have guests over and you're having a barbecue out. It's very nice. Like I said, it's very sturdy. So, again, thank you for watching. Please, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Hit that little bell. It'll alert you next time we upload another video. And until next time, keep preparing.